Hello, dear students. We hope that you are keeping safe at home. Well, here is an incredible opportunity for you to improve your life skills. Change a tire challenge. We invite all the capable students to join this project by changing the tire and replacing it with a spare wheel of your parent vehicle while improving your mechanical skills. Let's watch this demonstration video and try out.
When you notice you have a puncture, do not continue driving as it can rapidly damage both the tire and wheel. Stop your vehicle on a firm level surface away from traffic if possible. If needed, set up a warning triangle and turn on the hazard lights. Apply the parking brake and put the vehicle in park or first gear so the car doesn't accidentally move. Switch off the ignition and ensure all the passengers safely exit the vehicle. You will find the spare wheel and the replacement tools in the trunk. The tools include a jack for raising the vehicle and a wrench to take off the nuts that attach the wheels to the car. If a wheel has a hubcap, use the tool provided to remove it. Before jacking up the vehicle, use the wrench to loosen the nuts 1/2 to 1 turn. They should be quite tight. If you don't have the strength to loosen them by hand, try using your foot. Next, you need to jack up the car. Search the underside of the vehicle to find the jacking point closest to the wheel you want to replace. If you can't find it, check the owner's manual. Never put any object or any part of your body under the vehicle when using the jack. Once the jack is in place, jack up the vehicle until the flat tire easily clears the road. You can then remove all the wheel nuts and the flat tire. Do not touch the disc wheels or the area around the brakes as they can be extremely hot. Put the flat tire somewhere handy so you can have it fixed by a repairer. Lift the spare wheel onto the hub and make sure the holes are lined up. Then replace the wheel nuts, tightening them until they're firm. Lower the jack until the spare wheel touches the ground, and then, using the wrench, tighten the wheel nuts firmly in sequence. Once this is done, Lower the car completely. Remove the jack and put it and the tools in their proper place. If you cannot do this soon, check the wheel nuts after a couple of 100 kilometers of driving to make sure they're still tight. Remember not to exceed 80 kilometers per hour when driving with a compact spare wheel.
Well, we hope that you learned the steps of changing a tire. The clock is ticking. Your time starts now.